In this quick video, we'll learn how to quickly unblock someone on Snapchat in just a couple of seconds. Whether you've accidentally blocked someone or simply changed your mind and now want to unblock that person, simply follow my steps. The process is absolutely the same for both iOS and Android devices, so just follow my steps. The first step is to open our Snapchat application, and then we have to go over to our profile. And then we'll get here. We will then go over to our Snapchat settings, so click on this little gear icon at the top right. When we get to our Snapchat settings, we will then scroll a little bit down until we can see this Privacy Controls section. We will have the Blocked Users option, and that is what we will tap on. This will show me a list of all the users that I have blocked on Snapchat. I only have one person, and in order to unblock someone, tap on the X button, and that's going to show us this message, asking us if we are sure we want to unblock the person. If you are sure you want to do that, simply tap on the Unblock option, and that's it. That is how we can easily unblock anyone on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.